Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Nigeria News and Entertainment. Still on the ultimate love show, Arnold and Bolanle accused of stealing from a hotel they lodged in. Ultimate love star Henry Arnold and his partner Bolanle Oluchi Babalola have disclaimed some accusations leveled against them, which stated they stole from a hotel they lodged in Lagos. Recall that since Arnold and Bolanle left the love part, they were pictured chilling in a hotel for over a month as they tried to build and take their relationship to the next level. However, in a viral voice note currently circulating on social media, Arnold is perceived as a fraud, while Bolanle is revealed to be a liar. In the press statement shared on his Instagram page on Saturday, 27 June 2020, he noted that the rumors going around via WhatsApp voice note is untrue and incorrect, as he clearly explained what transpired. The statement reads, "Disclaimer: a voice note is currently being circulated over the internet insinuating that Arnold, under the guise of his birthday, went away with everything in the hotel room he had been staying with his partner Bolanle under the platform of multi-choice due to the pandemic lockdown. This is untrue and incorrect, as Arnold moved out of the hotel room as requested by Bolanle for reasons best known to her. On his birthday, the sum of 1.5 million naira was presented to him as a gift, with 1 million coming from the Bolar parent figures for him to rent an apartment as he requested for when he was asked what he wanted as gift. Also, the sum of 500,000 naira from Bolar fans, which was received weeks after his birthday on the 25th of June 2020. The sum of 1 million was credited directly to Arnold's account, and a big part of this was refunded back to the parent figure when Bolanle insisted on being given half of the money as a share because she wasn't interested in getting an apartment. The information being passed across the VN is not only painting a wrong picture of Arnold as a fraud, but also painting Bolanle as a liar that would malign Arnold's character just to make herself into a saint. This is defamation of character and slander, and the brand of Arnold will not tolerate lies against his person, nor it will let detractors use Bolanle's name in an attempt to legitimize their dirty claims. Arnold is not a scam, but a young man who went to find love on the show. He's been emotionally tortured because he loved too much. While Arnold and Bolanle are trying to sort this amicably and settle issues on the common ground, we are using this opportunity to inform the public that legal steps will be taken if there are further slander of the persons of Arnold and by extension Bolanle. Okay guys, this is the screenshot they shared. So captioning the photo, Arnold wrote, "Public service announcement. Perpetrators should kindly take note, as for those who have been involved in this act of slandering and defaming the character of Arnold and Bolanle, the law won't spare you." Fans were shocked at the accusation leveled against Ultimate Love stars as they took to the comment section to pour their minds out. Reacting to the post, a fan identified as Spinches said, "Those people who sent VN should be taken into custody." Okay guys, what do you have to say about the situation of things for Bolar? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And from all indications, it seems Bolanle and Arnold are no longer in a relationship. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.